In faciliCAD, assets can be managed and tracked in both the faciliCAD Data Manager and CAD Manager. The choice of applications depends on the skill set of the team member and the display results required. Background data, such as the asset catalog creation, can be accomplished in either application. If accurate placement of an asset or graphic display of the asset is required, then this must be done in the CAD Manager. Either application can be used for tabular reporting of assets. This demonstration will show how to locate an asset in the CAD drawing, and then demonstrate how information in the form of documents, such as warranty documents or spec sheets, and conditions can be attached and assigned to individual assets. We will also show some of the tools in the CAD Manager that are available for placing, moving, and linking assets in a parent-child relationship. Next, we will take a look at the asset catalog and the information fields available in the catalog, as well as information specific to an asset once it has been placed. And lastly, we will explore assigning and linking assets to employees. So let's take a look at some of the tools available in the CAD Manager. Using the Asset dialog, we are able to view all of the assets in the current floor plan. From this same dialog box, we are able to select an asset object in the drawing graphically to quickly find the corresponding record. Once a record has been selected, we are able to attach and view documents previously attached to the asset. In this case, we have attached a spec sheet. Let's take a look. We have also attached a warranty document. Notice that the warranty document is date-based for reporting purposes. This allows us to quickly generate a report telling us what warranties have become due at any given time. We also have the ability to assign condition types to our assets. Once a condition type has been assigned, we can apply a condition rating, an inspection date, even a time period before replacement is necessary, as well as the cost of replacement for capital planning purposes. Once asset catalog items have been created, assets can be placed and linked in a parent-child relationship. In this example, Air Handling Unit 1 has been linked to the VAV boxes in the corridor. These VAV boxes have then been linked to the diffusers in the surrounding rooms. Once linked, we are able to create a graphic link tree showing the relationship. If there are linked objects on other floors, a dialog box will appear listing those assets as well. Tabular reports can also be viewed and printed showing the parent-child relationship of the linked assets. As stated earlier, asset information can be managed from both the CAD Manager and the Data Manager if graphics are not required and AutoCAD is not present. So let's take a look at some of the tools within the Data Manager. Before an asset can be placed in a room, an asset catalog item must be created. An asset catalog item contains information about the asset that would be common to all that are placed. Once the asset has been placed, additional information can be entered and tracked that is specific to the particular asset item. Information like ID or the vendor used in this particular purchase. Unit cost, serial number, installation date can also be entered as well. Not only can assets be linked to each other, they can also be assigned and linked to employees. If they are assigned and not linked, the asset will not move with the employee. On the other hand, if they are linked to the employee, they will move with the employee when the employee is moved as well. So as you can see, with faciliCAD, asset information can be entered and tracked graphically using the CAD Manager or in a tabular interface using the Data Manager. Assets can be linked to each other in a parent-child relationship or linked to employees if required. The ability to attach documents and conditions to assets adds tremendous power for tracking warranty information, accessing spec sheets, as well as creating budget information for capital planning.